Hello guys, today I want to teach you how we can make a N8N automation. This is going to be really easy. So let's start right away. I just wanted to show you what we're going to do. So in the end, this is how our N8N will be looking. And so first thing first, what you need to do is you need to go to N8N. You just need to type in N8N in your browser, and then you go to n8n.io. You sign in, get started, and there you go. So I'm just going to create a new workflow, and then we'll come in here, and I'm just going to remove this webhook. And so you'll see this add first step. That's what you're exactly going to do. You're just going to click on that, and let's go and let's see what we need to do. So I'm just going here. So the steps to make the automation is authorize the Google account. So I'm just going to go here and authorize my Google account. So you go here and just type in Gmail, press enter, and you just go on message received. Then I have my Gmail account already. So the first you need to go create your own credential, and then you need to sign in with Google. Then once you did this sign in with Google, it will ask all the permissions, what and all N8N will do. So you just go and just accept that real quick. And I already have my so I already have this thing. So if I go here, actually, so this is the Gmail account too, which is not going to work because I haven't signed in with Google inside it. And you just need to went to the Gmail account, and then when I did the fetch test event, it fetched the email, like it fetched the last email I have received, and it got everything. It got the subject of the email, it got what was inside the email, who sent it, which email it came to, and all those stuff. And then once you have your Gmail trigger, and then if it's a tick, then you're good to go. That means your Gmail has been successfully authenticated and it can fetch emails. So I'm just going to click on the plus button. You just type an AI agent, and then you click on enter, which will take you to this. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to close this off, okay, real quick. And then what you're going to do, you have to click on plus chat model, add a chat model. And so there are a lot of things, you can add whatever you want. So there's Anthropic, there's Azure OpenAI chat model, then there is AWS Bedrock, then there is DeepSeek, Google Gemini, Grok, Mistral, Olama. And I'm just going to go on open router. And so I already have this credential. So you just need to go to I'll just open this, open router.ai, and you just need to go sign in. So yeah, I've signed in, and you go to here, you go ahead and go to keys, and I have all these things like DeepSeek, N8N, which I just created. So you know what, you just go and create, you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it ASDF, and then you can leave this blank for limited, like you can leave that blank, and then you get your API key. You should treat this as a password. You should not share this to anyone, otherwise they can use your API key to do something. And especially if you're paying for any API key, then you don't need to do that, like you don't need to share it. So you know what, just for this safety of my API key, I'm just going to revoke this. And so I revoked this. Now nothing can happen. So now so I already had my other one, so this one, the open router. And if I think the paid ones can only use the 4.0 and all. So I want to use DeepSeek over here, so I'm just going to go ahead. And so if you just want to test, you just go DeepSeek free, and then you're just going to go and close this off. So I'm just going to go back to my canvas, and here you go. Now you have your open router chat model connected. So I'm just going to go to go to AI agent, and I am going to go and define below. Okay, so what I just did, I just went and defined below, and now what you got to do is just how, if you go to ChatGPT. So if I go to ChatGPT, then I can ask something, like, hello man. So it says hello, what's up? So that's the same thing. So just how you make a prompt to ChatGPT, you just need to write what prompt you need the agent to do. So I have a ready-made prompt. I'm just going to paste this in here real quick. So I'll pause out the video. Okay, so I've got my prompt, and I'm just going to make this bigger. Okay, I'm going to go to expression, make this bigger. So you know what I just did? I put the prompt. So identify what the task, what is the task from the email below, from the subject, from, and message, and important. Don't include spam, and if you do, just leave blank space. So this means that if there's a spam, if don't include spam email. Okay, and if you do, if it is, okay, I have an error in this prompt. If it is spam email, just leave blank. Okay, so that means that when I will run it, it will go to my, so when this will output, it will just leave a blank, because if this is spam, just leave blank space. Then identify the task and output something which will go in Google Tasks. I'm telling it that this will go in Google Task. Okay, and if it's something like a newsletter, then provide the name saying newsletter, saying read newsletter name, and provide short insights from the newsletter. Note, you are an AI agent, and this will be directly sent to G tasks, so the text should be production ready. So this means the text should not have that define this, define that. It should be just the task, because that this is where it's going. It's an AI agent. If it's something important or anything, format it very short, and they are going to be a to do. Here are all the details I was talking about, and I've also added a note that only give the Google Task output, and it should have enough info so I can understand who sent it, but short as well. So I send the email. So you know what, how you can do this. So basically you go and you go to JSON. This is JSON, so you just delete this out. Okay, yeah, so you go subject, and then you just drag this in, and so just to show you, I'm doing this. So there was some newsletter, and this is like the result which you're seeing, and also the message. So the message is okay, where is it? Yeah, the snippet, that's the snippet. So as you can see, it was the snippet. So now this is label 1. So this is like if it's important or not. So there's labels. Oh, wait, yeah. So if it's important or not. Okay, I'm just gonna keep this. Yeah, so this is it. Now you just go close it off, and you have a good prompt. So now this can basically understand what are you going to have in this thing. So now we have our prompt. I'm gonna close this off, and now so far we have a Gmail trigger, and now it sends everything to our AI agent. That AI agent is like, okay, I need to send this to my DeepSeek, the open router chat model DeepSeek, and then it comes back up, and now it's going to go and execute our other plan. So my other thing is basically another AI agent. So we have this AI agent already, but I wanted to, so I've already mentioned that if it's spam, just leave a blank space. But now what I want to do Still I want to have a filtering agent just for if this just forgets that this is spam, because I have so many things written in it that it can forget if it even wanted to detect spam or not. That's why I'm creating another filtering agent. So you just go here, you close this off. Now you go to chat model and scroll down to your open router. So now we have open router account. Coming up, going down. Yeah, DeepSeek chat free. We're good to go. Close it off. Okay, so in our other agent, I just added a filtering process. So I'm just going to execute the previous nodes. Okay, and it will understand automatically what I'm trying to say. Yeah, there you go. So this is just a spam filtration process. If you want, you can just check out this prompt. I'm just going to leave it for 3 seconds, and you can read this yourself. It's just a filtration process. Now I'm not going to make you understand what and all I have written in it, but yeah. Okay, so we are good to go. I have my filtration. Gonna remove this, and now our final step, which is gonna be really exciting, which is the Google task. So adding it in the Google task. Okay, so now the Gmail is triggered. Now it goes to the AI agent, it goes to the filtration agent. Now we're going to add this finally inside our Google task. So we're going to be, so this was the longest step, step 2, and now step 3, authorize G tasks and add the LLM output inside the G task, which is going to create every time. So let's do this. Sorry for the police background noise, and I'm just going to go here. I'm just going to write tasks. Oh no. So you just write Google tasks, press enter, and you go to create a task. And now you just go create a new credential, sign in with Google, and if it asks for permissions, just tick everything if you want to do this. And then, you know what, I'm just gonna close this because I have my it configured already. I just went to the Google sign in and did this. Now you go here, create, and then you know what, you just go and you click on my tasks, which is the default, or you can create a new one, and then select that, and the title is going to be the output. Okay, so you're just going to execute your previous nodes, and then the agent output 1, which is the filtration guy, put it here. And now coming back, now coming back. Okay, so now to see if it works or not, you just go create a new tab, and you write, okay, I'm just going to click on apps, and if I have tasks lying around here, okay, no tasks here, so you just go and you write the Google tasks. You just click on Google tasks. So I have opened up my Google tasks. Now moment of truth. So you know what, I'm just going to show you this how it used to look. So this is how it looks, the final one, and if I come back to my, it looks same. So you just need to save this now and test workflow. Okay, everything is successful. Yay! It's saying it executed this successfully. Ooh, so now the newsletter which just popped up like a few minutes ago, which I just received, it told me the insights, and it also told me who shared this. So now I don't need to go scanning my difficult email, checking who what I sent, and now I don't even have that FOMO, like, oh my god, am I missing out on any email? And it's so structured, and if there's spam, it just it doesn't come. So this is so cool. So this is how to make an automation using N8N. I'm going to create a lot of automations right now because this is so easy and this is also so exciting. I really love making automations, and this just makes life easier. So yeah, if you want to follow with me to make more automations, follow learning with AK. Bye, see you next time. Peace.